Good morning to respected fathers, teachers, and all dear my friends. I am Riya Lalwani from Standard 8C. What is prayer? Prayer is a communication to God. Prayer is done by those who trust the power of words and say thought. Jesus taught people to say the Lord's Prayer. Prayer can be spoken in silent or in a song. We turn to prayer because it is the most personal way to experience God, to encounter Him, and to grow in knowledge of it. I would request to please stand up and take your prayer position.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to know my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torch-bearer of your wisdom. Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, or a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, we stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with the joy and praises, turn us into your angels, be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, oh hail, Saint Mary's School, a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, oh hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, it stands for your name.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall always give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Now I request my friend for the thought of the day.
Hello friends, myself Maru Vasis from Standard 8C, present here to share thought for the day. Today's thought is change yourself and your luck will change. I repeat, change yourself and your luck will change. Removing laziness from our lives will end many troubles. Discipline is essential, which makes you a good and a talented man. Discipline is taught by our teachers and parents, which makes us very useful not only in student life but also in professional life in future. Our attitude should be disciplined and respecting the other person is a part of the discipline. By doing so, we can become not only a good student but also a good person in our life. So, thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much and have a fantastic day.